You'll be needing a leather preparer and a glazer as well as a finisher. You can use whichever one, but I chose the matte one. And then you'll be needing some cotton pads and your choice of Angelus leather paint. First thing you want to do is remove the laces from the shoes so that you don't mess them up. And then you're going to get your leather preparer and the glazer, put it on a cotton pad, and then wipe away the white factory finish on the shoe for all the parts that you want to paint. Here I'm trying my best to show you the finish that came off of the shoe and onto the cotton pad, but the camera didn't pick it up as well. When you do it, it should show up on yours and the shoe will also look a bit grayish. After you prepped both shoes, you're going to start by outlining the drip that you'd like. I used a pen here and I use a light blue ink because I'm using black paint, so it's going to cover it anyway. But if you choose to use a lighter color for your paint, then I would recommend using a pen of that color so that it doesn't bleed and make it look really weird when you start painting. And now for the fun part, which is actually painting the drip. I started on the swoosh because it's easier to do and I can just get it out the way before I start on the drip, which is more meticulous, as you can see. If you are using a light color paint, I do recommend painting thin layers at a time so that when you paint it and it dries, it's an even layer of color throughout the entire swoosh.